Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. In order to provide effective financial support for promotion of small village and cottage industries, the Industrial Development Bank of India has taken steps to set up a separate wing to deal exclusively with the credit requirements of this sector. Stop. It will coordinate, guide, and monitor the entire range of credit facilities offered by other institutions for the small and cottage sector, for whom separate wings will be set up in these institutions, particularly nationalized banks. Stop. Banks will also be expected to earmark a specified proportion of their total advances for promotion of small village and cottage industries. Stanza. The growth of the cottage and small scale industries sector has been tardy, mainly for want of satisfactory marketing arrangement for their product. Stop. The marketing of goods of this sector with its concomitant of product standardization, quality control, market surveys will therefore need special attention. Stanza. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission will work out detailed plans for development of these village industries by adopting modern management techniques. Stop. Especially for the production of footwear and soaps, special programs would be drawn up to increase progressively their share in the total production of these items in the country. Stop. The list of items currently under the purview of the Commission will be considerably expanded, and the state and national level organizational structure of the Commission will be revamped so that it can more effectively fulfill the role assigned to it. Stanza. Along with Khadi, the clothing needs of the masses can be progressively met through development of the handloom sector, which provides employment to the bulk of the people engaged in the production of textiles. Stop. Government will not permit any expansion in the weaving capacity in the organized mill and powerloom sector. Stop. In order to provide adequate supply of yarn for the handloom sector, the government will ensure that the handloom sector has priority in the allocation of yarn spun in the organized sector. Stop. In case there is any shortage, government will ensure that steps are taken to increase spinning capacity. Stop. Further, in order to provide ready market for handloom products, it will be ensured that the organized mill sector does not provide unfair competition to the handloom sector. Stop. Certain items of textiles are already reserved for production in the handloom sector. Stop. The government will enforce the existing reservation and further extend it to other items. Stanza. The development and application of technology appropriate to our socio-economic conditions has so far not received adequate attention. Stop. It will henceforth be an integral part of industrial policy, and the government will ensure that this important area gets adequate attention. Stop. Special arrangements will be made to ensure an effective and coordinated approach for the development of suitable small and simple machines and devices for improving the productivity and earning capacity of workers in small and village industries. Stanza. The role of large-scale industry will be related to the program for meeting the basic minimum needs of the population through wider dispersal of village and small-scale industries and strengthening of the agriculture sector. Full stop. Over.